Okay, getting ready to start this Raptor liner stuff. It looks like it's gonna go pretty quick, just rolling it on. I hope the roller is gonna be good enough to get in the smaller crack areas and to like go around the tape parts. Once you open this stuff and get started, it only has 60 minutes and then it's done. So you're either using it in 60 minutes or you're tossing it. I'm trying to do 2 bottles today. It says there's enough of this to do the whole bottom in 2 coats. We'll see how it goes. We just got the first coat done of the Rhino liner stuff. Went through like 3 rollers and 2 paintbrushes. So that means we're gonna go through like 12 rollers or more and probably like 6 or more paintbrushes. Pretty darn good. It's looking pretty fresh already, just 1 coat. We're gonna have to do the other 2 tomorrow. It's getting dark and we need more rollers and brushes. Crystal saved me, or else I would have not even gotten this far at all. Okay, another day working on the van. Hopefully this is the last day of painting. Just rolling on the last layer of the Raptor liner. Hopefully we're done with paint and the outside for now. I have to install the license plate light. I never fixed the hole here. Projects for another day, I guess. Gonna go to the store and get some more rollers and paintbrushes, and then, yeah, be on our way. Oh yeah, you can see like some of the bristles that came off, and there's also some of the plastic roller that popped off, that fell apart with the roller and made it part of the texture. It's all right though. For some reason, the van's giving me like a weird paddy wagon cop sort of feel with the black on white or white on black. It's strange. All right, just went to the store, got some more paintbrushes. Thankfully, these are only $1 each. These rollers, like 20 bucks. And hopefully they don't fall apart in like 2 rolls, because I have no idea how strong they're gonna be. I couldn't find any of the like plastic spongy rollers that came with the set anywhere in town. So hopefully we still get some texture, because the paintbrushes have texture, it's just awkward. Okay, we're gonna start painting. Put 60 minutes on the clock. 1 bottle only lasts for 60 minutes. You got to use the whole thing. Try and do it as best as we can. These are the last 2 bottles, 1 bottle for each side. I'm gonna start with the cracks with the small paintbrush and try and get all the little stuff in here. Make sure I get all the little cracks in between everything. I didn't finish this bar. Crystal says that because I did this bar, it needs to continue on to this. But that's for another day. I think we should just do the whole hood if we're gonna do any of the hood. Okay, 60 minutes on the clock, here we go. I hope these rollers work out okay. Oh, and this is the only pair of gloves I have right now. So, once these gloves break, I'm gonna have to bust open the tape on the back. So maybe I should do some paintbrush work on the back before anything else, so that if the gloves do break, I can bust open that back door and all the tape. Didn't think about that. All right, I think I'm ready. Here we go. That was exactly an hour, and I think I got everything done on this side that I needed to get done. Crystal said that I should tape this off today and get that done with the extra paint that I have. And then I made some good progress over here, getting a lot of stuff filled in before the next round. Now I can open up the doors and see some of this stuff that I can paint over. I probably should have done a lot more work on this. Oh, and I just ripped my glove. A good thing I just opened the doors. Woohoo! That worked out. Don't want to get too crazy with the peel and tape right now. Oh, I got a bunch of black marks. It's a good thing we're on to long sleeve shirts at work, but now I'm getting crud all over my hands too. I didn't clean the metal at all. I guess I should do that. And I also don't have like degreaser prep or yeah, like the correct cleaner. And I need to sand it too, I guess. Here we go. I just noticed that there's a ton of overspray on the windows. Hopefully I have stuff that'll fix it, but it's like all over. I didn't realize how terrible I did. This one's bad. Yikes. That sucks. And we got some coloring out of the lines. I think that one was from opening and closing the door. And then this one was painting right here. And I just brushed up against it. My bad. And then I accidentally didn't put tape on here the first time, so there's some smudgies under here. Oh, there's some more painting out of the lines. I decided to go with not doing the hood, but just doing this stripe and doing the bumper. We're gonna finish up the sides and do the rear bumper, and with whatever's left over, we'll do a second coat on the front bumper and the rear bumper. Here we go. All finished up with paint, done with that. Thanks for watching. Till next time, maybe we'll go on an adventure somewhere before we do more work. Peace. Well, yeah, I got a tattoo about it. What do you think? Nice little feather. A leaf? I don't know. Okay, back at it. Last day. Back at it. Just gonna peel off some tape. Oh, there's my overflow. Gotta clean some of that up. And then gonna go return the brushes that I didn't use. Oh, there's overflow all over. I was terrible at that, but it looks okay. Just getting stuff put back together. Got the license plate on, and we're getting the little reflectors back on. Wow, feels good getting stuff accomplished and finished. Probably gonna take her to the car wash and just wash it off one last time. Maybe not, maybe just wash the windows. That's more realistic. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't know when the next adventure is going to be. Peace.